Okay, good morning everyone. Let's start our lesson today. Today we come to the lesson 13 for chapter 6, Trigonometric functions. Today we're going to learn about the double angle formula and half angle formula. For the double angles, they are called the double angles mean the angles we put in the form for 2a or 3a or 4a. For example, tangent to a, cos 3a, sine 4a. It's double up or triple up. And then for the half angle mean a over 2. For example, sine theta over 2. Half angle. Actually, they are come from the same formula. Okay, so we start from deriving the double angle formula by using the addition formula. Additions, we learned about the addition formula for last lesson yesterday. This is sine A plus B minus B, cos A plus B minus B, and tangent A plus B or A minus B. Okay, so how we going? This is the first double angle. We have three different double angle. The first one is sine 2a, second is cos 2a, then the third one is tangent 2a. So, okay, for sine 2a, how we get in? How we get sine 2a equal to 2 sine a cos a? So how we get it? We can use the additions. We can use the addition formula to get it the sine 2a equal to this one. So how? From here. Sine a plus b. So sine 2a. Sine 2a is equal to sine a plus a, right? 2a. Dua a, huh? So we can use this one. So it's sine a plus a. So from here we get the value is equal to sine a cos a, then plus cos a sine a. So look at this. Sine a cos a, sine a. Is it the same? They are the same, right? So this one equal to sine a cos a plus, okay, we'll just change the sequence. Sine a cos a. So from here we get to the same, so we just sum up. So we get 2 sine a cos a. So prove up, we get the first formula. So sine 2a equal to 2 sine a cos a. Then how about the cos 2a? For cos 2a, they will have three double angle formula. First, second, and third. Okay, for the first one, cos 2a, how to get it into cos square a minus sine square a? So how are we going to get it? We're starting from cos 2a equal to cos a plus a. Cos a plus a here. Cos a plus a. So you will get this one, right? Cos a plus a. B become a now. B become a. So you will get cos a plus become minus negative sine a. Okay, cos a square, right? Cos square a minus sine square a. Cos square a minus sine square a. Okay, the first one, so you get the first equation, first formula. Okay, then how are we going to change it into the second? We can continue, equal to cos square minus sine square a. So we don't want the sine square a. We don't want the sine square a. So how can we do? This is the addition formula, and this three is the basic identities, right? Still remember basic identity tree? So we don't want the sine square a. We want to change it into cos square a. So we can get it from here. So you can get it from here. So from here, you know, we don't want sine square a, so sine square a equal to cos, move to right hand side, 1 minus cos square a. Okay, from here. So I put it inside of. So equal to cos square a. So continue, cos to a equal to from the above, cos square a minus sine square a, 1 minus cos square a. Okay, from here. So now you get cos square a minus 1 plus cos square a. So we get 2 cos square a minus 1. Okay, so we get the second formula, 2 cos square a minus 1. Okay, then another one. How are we going to change it into 1 minus 2 square a? Now we don't want cos. We want it. We want to make it into sine. So how to do? Cos 2a. So same thing from the first equation, cos square a minus sine square a. We don't want the cos. Then how to change? From here. So from here. So cos we want. We want. What is the cos square a? Okay, because we don't want cos. We want still cos to become sine. Okay, cos square a is equal to 1 minus sine square a. So cos square a, we change inside from here to here. Cos square a 1 minus sine square a minus sine square a. So you get 1 minus 2 sine square a. So we get the third equation. So you see this? The first equation, second equation, third equation. First equation, second equation, third equation. This is the double angle formula for cos. Okay, then we continue. Another formula is the tangent to A. Okay, another double angle. Tangent to A. How are we going to prove that? So that it will become this one. We use the addition angle for tangent. Okay, tangent to A equal to tangent A plus A. Okay, A plus A. Okay, A. So it becomes tangent A plus minus tangent A plus tangent A over 1 minus tangent A. Okay, tan A plus A plus A, 2 tangent A. Okay, 1 minus tangent A multiplied with tangent A, tangent square A. So prove. So we get this formula already. Okay, this is how we derive the double angle formulas by using the additions and basic identities. Okay, but you no need to learn how to prove it because this. Okay, you see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 9 formulas are provided during the SPN examinations. You don't need to memorize it, but you have to know how to use it. Okay, you have to know how to use it. Okay, basic identities, addition formula, and what we learned today is double angle formula. Therefore, cos, for the question involving with cos 2a, so you have to know, you have to look at the question, what does the questions want? If the questions want involves sine and cos, then you have to use the first formula. If the questions want the answer in cos only, then you have to use the second. Then if the questions want the question in sine only, sine squared, then you have to use the third formula. Okay, let's practice about it later. So now, I would like you to look at the example 24. Okay, we're going to use the double angle formula to find the value for the questions in example 24 here. For the first one, A, 2 sine 15, cos 15. How to do this question? It's very simple. Okay, 2 sine cos sine and cos. Is it? Same, right? 2 sine 15 degree, cos 15 degree. So what you need to do is you change it. This is 15 degree, 15 degree, 15 degree. Okay, if you're not sure, just copy down the you just copy down the formula first. Sine 2a equal to 2 sine a cos a. Okay, so now you write 2 sine a cos a equal to 2 sine 15 degree two sine 15 degree cos 15 degree. So equal to 2 sine, sorry, not 2 sine. So equal to what? Equal to this one. This one 15 degree, huh? 15 degree, 15 degree, huh? So equal to sine 2 15 degree. So equal to sine 30 degree. So what is the value for sine 30 degree? With the calculator, you just press sine 30 degree. But if without calculator, then how are you going to find this? Without calculator, then we can use the left hand trick. Use your left hand trick. 0, 30. 30 degree is here. Sine is go up or go down. Sine is go down. Cos is go up. Sine is go down 1. So it's square root 1 over 2 or 1 over 2 0.5. Okay, so now we look at B. Cos square minus sine square. Okay, which formula use the cos square minus sine square? Cos square minus sine square. So circle cos 2a. Okay, so now 22.5. This is 22.5, 22.5. So here is 2 multiply with 22.5. So this one equal to cos 22.5. So equal to cos 45 degree. With calculator, write symbol. If without calculator, use your hand. 0, 30, 45. Okay, 45. Cos go up. Go up 2 set square root 2 over 2. That's it. Okay. Then now we go to C. Tangent 75 degree. So see the pattern. Of course, use the tangent to A. Okay. 2 tangent 75 degree over 1 minus tangent square 75 degree. So A is 75 degree. So this one equal to tangent 2 multiply with 75 degrees. So it's tangent 150 degree. So not yet. In condition, if you have no calculator, then how you going to solve this question? So we have to draw 150 is in first or second or third or fourth quadrant. It will be in second quadrant, right? Because it's obtuse angle. So it will be in second quadrant, 150. But what we want to find out is the right angle triangle, the obtuse angle. Obtuse. So we have to find here is 30 degree because 180 minus 150 is 30 degree. 30 degree, this is what we want to find out. Then the value here, 10, 30 degree. Okay, positive or negative. Okay, tangent is positive or negative here. Okay, anyone answer me? All student take calculus. Okay, yes, here is negative because only sign positive. So the tangent here is negative. You put negative tangent 30 degree. Okay, tangent. Okay, now it say everything now we don't have calculator. You have to use your hand again. 0, 30 degree. Okay, Go down is sine. Go up is cos lah. Okay, so tangent equal to sine 30 degree over cos 30 degree. So sine, one step downward. Cos, 1, 2, 3. 3 step upward. So your answer is negative 1 over square root 3. But this is not the simplest form. For the simplest form, the surd cannot be bottom. We have to move the surd to the upward, to the above here. So we have to multiply both with square root 3. Yes. So your upward will be negative square root 3, then downward 3 lah. So this is a simplest form, negative square root 3 over 3. This is your answer. Okay, so now I'm going to introduce you what is the half angle formula. Half angle formula actually is like this one. So at first, sine 2a, how if we change it to theta, okay? Jadi sini akan jadi apa? Then what is the value here? This is 2a, 2a. So this is theta over 2. This is theta over 2. This is the concept of half angle formula. Okay, have you seen this? We cut into half. Then this one also cos 2a. So let's say it's theta. So this one becomes theta over 2 because half of it. This one theta over 2, theta over 2, theta over 2. Okay, same thing with the tangent. This one theta over 2, theta over 2. So I don't memorize this one because sometimes it will show you this 1, 2, 3, 4. How are we going to change the you see, so we get this already. How are we going to change this formula? This is what? This is the double angle. How are we going to change the double angle formula in this form? By using the double angle and the basic identities, the relation, how to change into this one, and this one. How are we going to change? Let me show you how we're going to do this. How we're going to prove of the half angle formula. How to prove. Okay, the first one, how we're going to prove sine theta over 2 equal to plus minus square root 1 minus cos square over 2. Okay, the first one, how we're going to prove it. So you see this. We have to prove from the left-hand side. Left-hand side to right-hand side. Okay. Sine theta over 2, then want to prove from the cos theta. So in other words, you can imagine this one is 2a because this one is half, then this is whole. So actually this is the double for this one. Theta is the double for theta over 2. So we can imagine this is a. Okay, if you see like this, it's easier for you. So sine A equal to 1 minus cos. Okay, so we have to know, we have to find out which formula, which double angle formula are suitable for sine A and cos 2A. Cos 2A, you see the cos 2A, so of course we need to find from cos 2A here. So cos 2A, we have 3 formula. Which one most suitable? With the sine A. Or in another words, we can do like this. Sine, we double up. I mean that we square it, multiply it. So sine square, because I don't want positive, negative, so I square it. Okay, for example, this one square, this one square. Also, it will become sine square theta over 2 equal to 1 minus cos 2a over 2. Okay, because I don't want the surd. Okay, so now square. So how are we going to prove left hand side equal to right hand side now? Sine square theta over 2 equal to what? Okay, so now what we have is sine square and the cos. Okay, cos 2a. Okay, which formula had only sine square? We don't have other ones because the answer what we want is we want to prove this one. This one is sine square, right? So from this 1, 2, 3, which one got sine square? The first one and the third one, right? The first and third. So you think which one more easier for you, more suitable? That it mentions it didn't mention about cos square, right? You don't want cos square, right? You want sine square only, right? So the third one is the more suitable. The third one is the most suitable. So I have to use this one. Cos 2a equal to 1 minus 2 sine square a. So after this, we have to change it into the half angle form. What is the half angle form? You see this? Just now we want to change this one to a into theta, right? So change of cos theta equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta over 2. Okay, half, become half, theta over 2. So what is sine square at the front, right? So this one negative, we move to the right hand side. You see this negative, we move to the left hand side. Okay, so we get 2 sine square theta over 2 equal to 1. Cos can move to right hand side because we don't need it. We don't need the terms, so we move to right hand side. 1 minus cos theta. So 2 we also don't want, so move to right hand side. Sine square theta over 2 equal to 1 minus cos theta over 2. Okay, over 2. 2 move to right hand side, over, multiply become divide. So is it this one? Same, right? So 1 minus cos theta over 2. Okay, we get it, So now we get it to right hand side already, almost, So after this, sine theta over 2 equal to plus minus square root of, this one as plus minus 1 minus cos theta over 2. So proof already. Okay. Can, So practice more. So the second one, cos. So now again, if you cannot see this, we just make it like this form first. So theta over 2 is a. And the theta is 2a. So we need to find which one have cos 2a and cos a1. Then you see this square root of. So we don't want to change into the cos square a equal to plus, don't want plus minus, square. So we get cos square a equal to 1 plus cos square, 1 plus this one square, 1 plus cos 2a over 2. So which formula we are going to use it? Cos square a and cos 2a. Cos 2a, cos square a. Cos square a. So this one, right? So second formula on the cos 2a. You see which one suitable? So now we have cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. So what we want to find out is cos square theta over 2 equal to what? Cos square theta over 2 equal to what? So we have to change it. Change this one equal to 2 cos square theta over 2 minus 1. So this is theta over 2. This is theta. Cos theta equal to 2 square. Theta over 2 minus 1. Then do the same like the question just now. So 2 cos square theta over 2 equal to negative 1. Move to the front. Cos theta plus 1. Cos theta plus 1. Then 2. Move it again. Cos square theta over 2 equal to 1 plus cos plus 1. 1 plus cos theta over 2. Okay, 2 move the front, divide. 1 plus cos theta over 2. So you have this already. You have this, right? Cos square theta over 2. So right here, 1 plus cos theta over 2. Is it? This one no need to see already. So see, is it the same? Then you do it again. Cos square theta over 2. Not cos square. Square root. So square root it now. So it becomes plus minus square root 1 plus cos theta over 2. Actually, it's generated from the double angle formula. The half angle is from double angle formula. Then we go to the tangent. Tangent, we will have three different half angle formula. So look at the first one, how we're going to derive it. Okay, 1 minus cos, 1 plus cos. Let's say this is A. So it will become 2A, is it? It will become 2A. Huh? 2A. Then this one becomes 2A. 1 minus cos 2A is 1 plus cos 2A. So you think which one more suitable? Or it's hard to see, right? Because from here we don't have tangent and cos. From the addition formula, we only have tangent with tangent, right? So we don't have this one. It's not suitable. Huh? So what you're going to do first is you have to find the relation between tangent and cos. Which formula have the relation in between tangent and cos? Okay, we look at this one by one. This one no tangent and cos. This one also not suitable. This one, of course, we have to use it later, huh? Then we go back. We go to the basic identities. See which one have the relations for tangent and cos. Huh? This one sine cos no related. Cotangent cosec no related. The only related is the tangent, right? Tangent square. But this one with the second. It is not cos, right? But for second, second equal to 1 over cos, right? So we can apply for this one, right? Immediately we can use this one. Okay, so now we make it into square first. Tangent square theta over 2 equal to 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. We make it into square first. Okay, so that we can we don't need to see the subform. So it's in this form. So after this, we go back to this. Second square A equal to 1 plus tangent square A. Okay, we move it, we change it first. 1 over cos square A equal to 1 plus tangent square A. So what is your tangent square A? Tangent square A equal to 1 over cos square A minus 1. Okay, minus 1. So after this, we change it A to become, to become what? Theta over 2. Tangent square theta over 2 equal to 1 over cos square theta over 2 minus 1. We do it first. Then after this, we can move to here. Tangent square theta over 2 now is equal to 1 over cos square theta over 2 minus 1. Okay, not minus 1. We have to do something. So this one, both sides, multiply and divide with cos square theta over 2 so that we can get the terms in one terms only. 1 minus cos square theta over 2. Then the bottom is cos square theta over 2. Then after this, is there something wrong? Something wrong. Cos square theta over 2. So after this, 1 minus cos square theta over 2 is equal to what? Cos square theta over 2 is equal to what? So we go back here. See this one. Want to change it into the this form, cos form. This one. Okay, this one, huh? So from here, a bit complicated, huh? So this one, cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta over 2 minus 1. Okay, cos square theta, huh? So now you will have cos square theta over 2 equal to cos theta plus 1 over 2. Cos theta over 1 plus 2. Yes, like this. So easier you can straightforward change here first. No, this one complicated, I believe. So make it simple, huh? From here, from this one, we change first. Okay, now it will become 1 over cos square theta over 2 equal to 1 plus tangent square theta over 2. So cos square theta over 2 is here, right? So it becomes 2 over cos theta plus 1 equal to 1 plus tangent square theta over 2. So tangent square theta over 2 move is become 2 over cos theta plus 1 minus 1. Okay, 1 move to the left hand side. So cos theta plus 1 over cos theta plus 1. So it becomes 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus cos theta, yes, over cos theta plus 1. So it's 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. So prove it already. Okay, so prove it. A bit complicated, right? So now another one, sin and cos, tangent, sin and cos. So this one, we don't look at these two first. We don't look at the addition and the basic identity first. We look at the tangent, sine, and cos first. From here, what you need to do is we change it into the formula with the relations with the sine and cos one. From left hand side, tangent theta over 2 equal to sine theta over 2 over cos theta over 2. We do this first. Tangent equal to sine and cos. Okay, then after this, sine theta over 2, cos theta over 2. This one, sine theta and cos theta. Related with this one. Okay, so how are we going to change this into this? Change A become theta over 2. Change it become theta over 2. So this one is theta. How are we going to change it so that we can get the form in 2 sine theta over 2 cos theta over 2? What we need to do is we multiply 2 sine cos theta over 2. Up and down do the same. Up and down do the same so that it will be equal. Okay. Up 2 sine theta over 2 cos theta over 2. So it becomes sine theta. So upward becomes sine theta now. Sine theta. Then downward 2 cos square theta over 2. 2 cos square theta over 2. So 2 cos square theta over 2 equal to what? This one. Okay. 2 cos square theta over 2 minus 1 equal to cos theta. So 2 cos square theta over 2 equal to cos theta plus 1. Then 2 move up. So cos square theta over 2 equal to cos theta plus 1 divided by 2. Divided by 2, huh? So sine theta over 2 cos theta, this one move inside. cos theta plus 1 over 2. Okay, cut. So we get sine theta over 1 plus cos theta. So this one, proof. Okay, this one don't have the square form or the square root form. Huh? This one simply tangent only. So now, then how about 1 minus cos theta over sin theta? Almost the same actually, this one. Then only we change this one to multiply sin theta. Sine. So that the cos, the sine 2a will become at the bottom. Okay, so we do it now. Tangent theta over 2, the first step still the same, equal to sine theta over 2 over cos theta over 2. Then after this, we want to change the bottom become 2 sine theta over 2 cos theta over 2. So that the bottom becomes sine theta later. This one becomes sine theta later. Okay, the first one. So what you need to do, your bottom sine cos. So you up also sine theta over 2, sine theta over 2, multiply these two. Okay, multiply, add up. So we get 2 sine square theta over 2 over 2 sine theta cos theta is sine theta. Then 2 sine square theta over 2. So how to become cos? This one. Okay. Cos theta equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta over 2. So sine square theta over 2 move to the left hand side. So you will get 1 minus cos theta over 2. Okay. So it's become 2, 1 minus cos theta over 2 over sine theta. So it's 1 minus cos theta over sine theta. Proof. Okay. So this is how we get the half angle formula 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I don't memorize this one. I just derive from the questions. If the question comes up, if we have the question related, I just use this the double angle and the basic identity to derive it. Okay, no need to memorize this one. For me, I don't memorize. So now I'd like you to look at this one. This is a correction for your textbook, page 220. Which one is wrong? Here is 3 formula, right? 3 formula for the half angle formula. So which one is wrong? There is 1 formula is wrong. Mana satu yang salah? First or second or third? Sine, cos, and tangent. Which one is wrong? Can anyone tell me? No, sine, cos, no problem. You refer back here, 1, 2, 3, this one no problem, 1, 2, 3. Here, these two. Okay, because this one involved with the square, right? This is involved with the square. But these two, we don't involve with the square. We straightforward we change into sine and tangent, right? So actually, the wrong is here. This one don't have the third, no third. Okay, it's only sine A over 1 plus cos theta, or equal to 1 minus cos theta cos A over sine A. So I want you to do the correction in your textbook. So you fill this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in your textbook, page 220. This is the correct formula. Then this is the wrong one. Okay. So now we go to the another questions. I want you to prove that the tangent x over 2 equal to 1 minus cos x over sine x. You use this also can. But for me, I already proved to you just now, this one, right? So this is another method shown in your textbook. You can go through it by yourself. So I'm not wasting our time. We go to the another extra example. Look at the extra example when solve each of the following without using a calculator. It's important, without using calculator, by using the double angle formula only. So double angle formula is given to you. Okay, without using calculator, we have to solve the question now. Without okay, the first one is sine. So you see this, what is the first thing you need to do? You see the given you the value sine theta equal to 3/5. See, it gives you the value for sine in fraction, in fraction, and give you this angle is obtuse angle. So what you need to do, we have to make it into right angle triangle in the particular quadrant. So this is in quadrant 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Obtuse is quadrant 2. Quadrant 2, So equation will be in second quadrant. Okay, second quadrant. Then it give you sine theta equal to 3/5. So your theta 3 sine 5. 3, 5, then what is the value here? 4, 3, 4, 5. Remember to put a negative, because 0 here. Left to the 0 is negative. Negative 4. Then this up, go up, up is positive, go down negative, go right positive. This one you have to know. So it's negative 3, negative 4, 3, and 5. Okay, so after this, what you need to do, you write down what is the value for sine theta, cos theta, and tangent theta. Sine, cos, tangent. Sine given you 3/5. Then from the triangle, you know the cos is negative 4/5, and your tangent is negative 3/4. So write down first. Then he wants you to find the cos theta over 2. So this is half angle, right? So we can change from here. Don't worry, we can straightforward. We find from here. We find from the formula given to us. This is the double angle triangle. So we change it, this one to theta. So we see which one easier for you. Which one you want to use? The first, second, or third? First, second, or third? You can use the both also can, it's up to you. But easier for me, the easier one is use the, you can try to use this one, sine theta. Cos theta over 2, so this one is 2 sine square theta over 2. We change it. So we use the third one. So cos theta over 2. Oh, sorry, cos theta over 2. Something. We want to find cos theta over 2. So this one theta over 2, theta over 2, theta over 2, theta over 2. Mana satu? Which one is it? This one got cos theta, sin theta. This one not suitable. Then cos theta over 2, yes. Then this one sin theta over 2, no. Tak ada related. So we only have this one. This one is more suitable. So right now, cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta over 2 minus 1. Okay, minus 1. After this, we want to find the value for cos theta over 2. So we have to do slowly, step by step. Theta over 2. So negative 1 move to the front, cos theta plus 1. Okay, cos square theta over 2 equal to cos theta plus 1 over 2. Okay, so now cos square theta over 2 equal to 1 plus cos theta over 2. Equal to 1 plus, what is your cos theta? Negative 4/5. Negative 4/5 divided by 2. So it's what? 1 is 1/5/2. So it's 1/10. But this is not the final answer because the final answer is without square. So we have to use cos theta over 2 equal to positive negative square root 1/10. But is it the answer? The answer have 2 or not? The answer, cos theta over 2 equal to positive square root 1/10 or cos theta over 2 equal to negative square root 1/10. Which one is correct or both? The cos will be in positive or negative? You see, second quadrant, right? Second quadrant cos is positive or negative? All students take calculus. Second quadrant cos is negative, only sign positive, huh? So we reject this one. So your answer is cos theta over 2 equal to negative square root 1 over 10. That's it. Huh? Okay, another. We look at the example B now. B now. More questions to go through. Okay, must be first a bit. Maybe 10 minutes extra can today. Okay, given that tangent 2 theta equal to 5 over 12. So this means first quadrant, right? Quadrant 1, This means first quadrant. So 2 theta is in between 0 to 90 degrees. So it's first quadrant, 2 theta. So I want you to find the 4 theta. 4 theta. Okay, we do this first. So which quadrant? This is the first quadrant, right? 2 theta here, 5 over 12. 5, 12, so here is 13. Here is 13. Okay, no need to find sin cos first because we want you to find the tangent for theta. We use this 4 theta. So 4 theta. So 2 theta. 2 theta. Okay, 2 to 4 ma. Okay, 2 to 4 2 multiply with 2 theta become 4 theta. So this is what we want. So I want you to find tangent for theta. Tangent for theta equal to 2 tangent 2 theta over 1 minus tangent square 2 theta. Okay, what we need to do is we just substitute the value. 2 tangent 2 theta. Tangent 2 theta equal to what? 5 over 12. 5 over 12 over 1 minus 5 over 12 square. Square. So just use calculator to place. You get the answer 120 over 119. Okay. C. Given you the value for cos. These are all ask you to draw it into the quadrant first. Then give you x is obtuse. Obtuse means second quadrant. I want you to find the sine 2x. Sine 2x, this one, first equation. Okay, so cos x. We draw first. Second quadrant, Second quadrant. Okay, second quadrant. We're going to find this one. First one. This one is x. Okay, cos negative 1 over m. Negative 1 over m. The theorem Pythagoras always positive. The Pythagoras, this one is positive. And if 2, this is negative, then this one will be positive. Then what is the value for the value here? Is the value here? Pythagoras theorem, m square minus 1 square. Okay, 1 square. This one no negative. M square minus 1 square is positive. M square minus 1 square. And also, this one is positive because it's go up positive. So 1, 2, 3, we have it already. So we want you to find the value for sin. So we find the value for sin x first. What is your sin x? Sin x here is m square minus 1 square over negative over m. Sorry, over m or h over m. So m square minus 1 square square root over m. So this is your sine x. I want you to find sine 2x. Sine 2x. So sine 2x equal to 2 sine s cos x. So again, substitute the value inside 2 sine x. Sine s is this one, square root m square minus 1 square over m. Then cos x, negative 1 over m. So get your answer. Negative 2 square root m square minus 1. 1 square is 1, m square. So that's it. The negative can move to the negative. Okay. So few more, 3 more questions. So we go to D now. So given you the second, the in between 270 to 360. So this one is in 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrant. Quadrant 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then second theta equal to 1 over q. Second have to change into cos. 1 over cos theta equal to 1 over q. So your cos theta equal to q over 1. Q over 1, draw the diagram. 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. So it will be in 4th quadrant. Okay, 4th quadrant. And this is the angle we want to find out. Theta 90 degree. Theta 90 degree. Cos theta equal to q over 1. Cos is a h, right? A is q. Okay, h is 1. Okay, q positive 1. Then what is the value here? The value here is theorem Pythagoras, longer side 1 square minus q square. And remember, because this one go to the downward, so the value will be in negative. The negative go down is negative. Go down is negative. So you will get your, here the value will get your sin cos. Okay, cos only. So find this one. What else we need to find out? Oh, no, I only show you lah. So now I want you to find the cos theta over 2. Cos theta over 2. Theta over 2. Theta. This one, second one, the most suitable one. You see this, right? This one most suitable. So we use 2 cos square theta over 2 minus 1 equal to cos theta. Okay, they want you to find cos. We'll do this slowly. Theta over 2 equal to cos theta plus 1 over 2. Okay, then we find the value for cos theta. Cos theta is this one q lah. Cos theta is q plus 1 over 2. So cos theta over 2 is the square root of q plus 1 over 2. Which one? Positive or negative? We'll accept one only. The cos here is positive or negative. All students take calculus. The cos here will be positive. So we don't have negative. The answer is positive q plus 1 over 2. So you have to know that. Okay? We don't have negative. The answer is positive only. Okay, then we go to the last part for the question today. Given that the tangent theta equal to c over d. See, now it didn't give you the numbers, it give you the value in unknown, c over d. Then give you the value in the radian form. So the radian form, this one is which quadrant? You can draw out first. You can draw out 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 over 2 pi, and 2 pi radian. So pi, 3 pi over 2, so it will be in 3rd quadrant. Will be in 3rd quadrant. So answer will be here. Okay, then it gives you tangent theta equal to c over d. Tangent is all over a c over d. C over d. And c here, positive or negative? Negative c, negative d, this one is negative, you know why? Because go down is negative, then go to the left also negative, so it's negative. But for the Pythagoras triangle, it will be positive. The answer is the hypotenuse here, hypotenuse here is c squared plus d squared. Okay, c squared plus d squared. Okay, so from here, you tell me what is the sin, your sine theta. The sine theta is OH. So it's negative c over square root c squared plus d squared. Then your cos theta is negative d over square root c squared plus d squared. Then your tangent is c over d lah. Tangent c over d. Okay, now I look at the first one. How we're going to do sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. Substitute inside negative c over c squared plus d squared multiply negative d over square root c squared plus d squared. Negative, negative, positive. 2cd, okay, square root, c squared plus d squared. Okay, this is the first one. And the second one, cos 2 theta. How to find cos 2 theta? We have the value for sin and cos already. Actually, the both three can. Let's say we use this one. So it's cos square theta minus sine square theta. So the cos square is negative d over square root c square plus d square minus just square it. So you will get d square minus c square over square c square plus d square lah. That's it. And one more, last one, And the last one, tangent 2 theta. Third one, 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent square theta. So it's equal to 2 tangent theta is c over d, right? C over d. 1 minus c over d. Sorry, I'm not d over d. C over d square. So we'll get 2c over d downward is 1 minus c square over d square. Okay, before we change it, we need to do something to the bottom part first. How are we going to do to the bottom part? Let the bottom part the same one. Let the bottom part the same so that it will become one term d square over d square. So we get the upper part is 2c over d, and the bottom part is d square minus c square over d square. After this, we can do this. 2c over d divided by d square minus c square over d square. And change the divide become multiply. Change side, d square over d square minus c square. Okay, so d simplify 2cd over d square minus c square. This is the simplest form. Okay, so I think we stop here today. Then we'll continue by the next week for our next lesson. Okay.